Have you ever dreamed of running a successful YouTube channel, but felt overwhelmed by the work involved? What if I told you you could start creating high-quality, in-demand videos in a fraction of the time, and do it all without ever showing your face on camera? The game has completely changed for creators everywhere. Powerful, accessible AI tools mean anyone can become a YouTube creator. This is your simple, step-by-step blueprint to launching a YouTube automation channel using AI and vast libraries of stock media. It is not cutting corners. It is working smarter, not harder, to build a content machine. The promise: speed and simplicity. Before, one video took days of planning, filming, and editing. Now AI handles heavy lifting, generating viral ideas, writing scripts, and creating professional voiceovers. Combine AI with royalty-free stock videos and images, and you can produce content that looks and sounds incredible without expensive camera gear or a film crew. We will use the hook value CTA ladder to keep viewers engaged, start to finish. The foundation of any successful YouTube automation channel is not a fancy camera or a charismatic host. It is finding topics that people are actively searching for right now. This is what we call creating demand videos. Instead of guessing what people might want to watch, use simple tools to find out what they are already looking for. Start on YouTube itself. Open an incognito window and start typing a broad topic into the search bar. Pay close attention to the suggestions that pop up. These are the exact phrases people use to find content, a goldmine for video ideas. Think of it as YouTube telling you what videos to make. To go further, use Google Trends. See search interest for a topic over time and compare different keywords. Spot fleeting trends versus consistent evergreen demand. Example: best wireless earbuds often shows steady year-round interest. That makes it a strong automation topic. For deeper insight, use TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Integrate them into your browser. They show search volume and competition analysis for any keyword. Aim for high search volume and relatively low competition. When you find a promising topic, think about the viewer's intent. Once you have your demand-driven topic, it is time to create a simple plan or outline. This outline is the blueprint for your AI scriptwriter. You do not need a full script, just the main building blocks. Start by picking the video format that fits your topic. For demand videos, usually listicle, how-to guide, or product review. Next, craft your hook. It decides if viewers stay past the first 15 seconds. In the next 9 minutes, I am going to show you the absolute best wireless earbuds you can buy for under $30, and I will reveal the one pair that beats brands that cost 5 times as much. Specific, curious, and sets clear expectations. After the hook, outline your main value points. Aim for 3 to 5. Introduce 5 earbuds. Compare sound and battery. Compare comfort and connectivity. Announce the winner and why. Plan 2 CTAs, a soft mid-roll after value and a stronger end-screen CTA. If this is helpful, take a second to hit like. At the end, ask viewers to subscribe and comment with their favorite. With your solid video plan in hand, you are ready to harness AI to write your script. Use an AI writing tool like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai to generate a first draft. The key is a high-quality prompt. Your plan is your secret weapon. Do not say, write a video about earbuds. Give specific instructions from your outline. Include title, exact 15-second hook, 3 main sections, winner reveal, and a 20-second CTA. Ask for an enthusiastic, helpful tone and short, simple sentences. Think of AI as a talented but inexperienced assistant. It gives a block of clay. You sculpt. Read and edit for flow, clarity, and personality. Split long sentences. Swap robotic words for conversational ones. Add timestamps to smooth production and guide voiceover and visuals. For a true automation channel, AI text-to-speech is efficient. Try 11 Labs, Murph, or Well Said Labs. Pick a voice that matches your brand. Friendly, clear, slightly enthusiastic for budget tech. Paste your edited script, generate a short test, check pacing and adjust before rendering the full VO. Prefer human nuance? Hire an affordable voice actor on Fiverr or Upwork. Either way, a clear, well-paced voiceover is non-negotiable. With VO ready, gather visual assets. Use royalty-free stock media, Pexels, Pixabay, Unsplash, Mixkit. Consider paid, story blocks, Envato elements, ArtGrid. Find clips that match each line of your script. For earbuds, people listening, macro earbuds, jogging, and tech B-roll. Mix wide, medium close-ups. Prefer smooth, subtle movement. This is where all the pieces come together. Lay down your complete voiceover track, the backbone. Listen end to end to check pacing. Place your stock clips above the VO using your timestamps. Keep cuts quick. Change visuals every 3 to 7 seconds. Use a variety of shots and speeds to maintain engagement. Next, add background music. Choose upbeat but non-distracting tracks from YouTube Audio Library, Epidemic Sound, or Artlist. Set music low so narration remains the hero. Add large, bold text for key takeaways, great for viewers with sound off. Edit with the hook value CTA ladder. Strongest visuals first, supportive value sections, then clear CTAs. Add a subtle mid-roll CTA prompt. Create a simple end screen to subscribe and watch another video. A clean, well-paced edit transforms assets into a cohesive YouTube video. Your video could be the most helpful ever, but if nobody clicks, it does not matter. Thumbnail and title work together to grab attention in a crowded feed. Best thumbnails are simple, clear, emotionally resonant, understood in under a second. Use a single, high-quality visual of the topic or an expressive face. Add 3 to 5 words that promise the benefit. Your title should lead with the main keyword, then add intrigue or a definitive promise. Best budget earbuds. 2026. I tested 5, and this one is shockingly good. Open with a natural restatement of your title and promise. Add a short descriptive paragraph and your timestamps to create chapters. Include relevant product links and disclosures. Add your main keyword as the first tag, plus related variations. Create upload defaults for social links, disclaimers, and default tags to save time. Batch create and schedule uploads to put your channel on autopilot. Final checklist: strong hook, clear value, 2 CTAs, royalty-free media, clean thumbnail, SEO metadata, fun curious music at low volume. After you upload, monitor click-through rate and average view duration. If CTR is low, test new thumbnails or titles. If watch time is low, find drop-off points and tighten your intro or clarify value. Read comments for ideas and improvements. Your first video will not be perfect. By video 10, you can be 10 times better. Follow the steps consistently. Research, plan, write with AI, voice, visuals, edit, package, optimize. Keep the hook value CTA ladder as your creative North Star. Batch 3 videos and schedule them this week. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more AI automation guides, and comment your niche below. Good luck, start small, and start today.